Good morning, dear students. Hopefully, all of you are fine and doing your studies sincerely at home. So, today's our topic is gender. Again, the topic is not new for you. Gender you are also doing since your pre-primary school. Today, we'll be doing in detail the types of gender nouns. Basically, there are four types of gender nouns: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neutral gender. So, let us learn in detail about all these types of gender nouns and how we can change masculine to feminine and feminine to masculine gender. So let us learn into types of gender. Gender is a category of noun. There are four types of genders. First is masculine gender. Masculine gender, the names of all male persons or animals are said to be of the masculine gender. Example: man, actor, uncle, hero, king, lion, etc. Second is feminine gender. The names of all female persons or animals are said to be of the feminine gender. Example: woman, aunt, daughter, actress, queen, lioness. Next type of gender is neuter gender. Things without life cannot be distinguished either as male or female. Hence, the names of such things are said to be of the neuter gender. Example: house, knife, tree, chair, table, book. All these are non-living things. Fourth one is common gender. Common gender, names that can be used for both males and females, are said to be of the common gender. For example, child, it can be a boy or a girl. Parent, it can be mother or father. Student, again it can be a girl or a boy. So here we will be learning methods to distinguish the feminine noun from the masculine noun. First of all, we can do it by making change in the last part of the word. Secondly, by adding a word after or before. And thirdly, by changing the complete word. By making change in the last part of the word. Some feminine are formed by simply adding ESS to the masculine. Like you can see in this table, lion, simply we added ESS and becomes lioness. Shepherd becomes shepherdess. Poet, poetess. Priest, priestess. Likewise, you just remember or memorize all the words with correct spellings by making change in the last part of the word. Sometimes the form is slightly changed before ESS is added. In the following, ESS is added after dropping the vowel of the masculine ending. See, God, goddess, emperor, empress. Now here see we have dropped E, emperor, EMPEROR. We have dropped to make it empress. Actor, again we have dropped O. Waiter, again we have dropped E. Tiger, E. Governor. So likewise we have made the changes. Also note how the following feminines are formed. Masculine is hero and feminine is heroine. Lad, less. Bridegroom, bride. Widow, widower. So in some cases you have to learn the words to get it. Now we'll be learning by adding a word after or before. The feminine of a compound noun is formed by changing that part which shows the gender. Like you see in this table, grandfather. Now father is showing the gender masculine, so I will be changing that word only. Grandmother. Father will be changed to mother. Likewise, milkman, man, maid. Manservant, maidservant. Landlord, landlady. So the word which shows gender, we will be changing the gender of that word only. Just go through the list and learn it. So now here we will be changing the word. Many nouns have different words for the masculine and feminine. Here, bull, cow. Now the word is completely changed. Son, daughter. Horse, mare. King, queen. Husband, wife. Cock, hen. Gentleman, lady. Or it can be gentle lady. Uncle, aunt. Man, women. Bachelor, spinster. Nephew, niece. In these words you can see the word is completely changed when we are changing the word from masculine to feminine. So now here we will be learning words used as common gender and neuter gender. Common gender and neuter gender examples I am giving to you. You have to memorize them. So what is a common gender? The noun that denotes both male and a female. So singer. Singer can be male, a girl or a boy. Parent can be mother or father. Teacher can be male or female. Likewise, you would be learning the examples of the common gender, and neuter gender are the things which are lifeless, means non-living things are referred to as neuter gender. Now here we would be looking into few exceptions. When a noun changes from masculine to feminine, the pronoun in the sentence must change too. Now example, let us look into the example. The man went into the dining hall with his friend. Here we are changing the gender. Man to women, went into the dining hall with his friend. Now man is going with his friend. Here the pronoun is his. So when we are changing, we will change the masculine into feminine. We will be changing the pronoun also. This pronoun his has to be changed to her. His uncle lives in Delhi. Her aunt lives in Delhi. So both of we have to change. Now next thing is the collective nouns refer to living beings but are used as neuter nouns. For example, the army is called to tackle the situation. Army consists of living being, means it is consisting of soldiers, but we used it as a neuter noun. Objects known for their power, strength and violence are used as masculine gender. For example, the death is cruel. He is as certain as tomorrow. Now he here we had used for death. So as it is showing strength, power, so we use it as a masculine gender. Object known for their beauty, gentleness, those are used as feminine gender. Like the earth. Earth is known for its beauty, so we'll be using pronoun her, means we are using it as a feminine gender. Some words ending in ESS are no longer used. Example are authoress and poetess. Author and poet are now used for both men and women. So means author and poet are now used as common gender. The word steward and stewardess are being replaced by other terms like flight attendant. Note that a flight attendant can be a man or a woman. Again, it is used as a common gender. So now let us summarize gender through this video.
Nouns. Gender. Masculine, feminine, common and neuter are the 4 types of gender nouns in English. A male member of a species is a masculine gender noun. For example, uncle, king, hero, bull, etc. A female member of a species is a feminine gender noun. For example, aunt, queen, heroine, cow, etc. A common gender noun is used for either or, both males and females. For example, leader, student, pilot, etc. A neuter gender noun refers to a member of a species which is neither a male nor a female. Inanimate things are neither male nor female, so they are neuter. For example, tree, car, computer, eye, body, sky, etc.
So here we come to the end of our session. I hope all of you have understood the lesson well. Thank you. Have a nice day.